Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing wonderful, and today we are here to talk about a topic, the importance of art and craft, visual art. Yes, and this topic is very close to my heart as being an artist. So today we are going to talk about why the visual art and what we learn through the visual art and craft. So one very major things, I'm very sure all the educators are aware of that, and that is fine motor skills. When a kid is small, their hand muscles are being in a development stage, so this activity helps them to strengthen their muscles of the hands. Then dexterity. Dexterity is the speed in the hand. As the kids are moving both their hands, it helps them to increase the speed. Then hand-eye coordination. So whatever we do, if I hold this card also, envelope also, hand and eye coordination plays a very important role in that. Then self-esteem. If I start some task and finish it, I hold pride in myself, right? So anything they draw and they complete, that that completion, that excitement is very important, and that you can develop through visual art. Socializing is another very important thing which all the kids, we parents want the kids to learn when they are drawing with their teachers, with their classmates, or even with you parent. They hold a good bonding, right? So this is the best activity if you want to have a good bonding with your child. Please do make a visual art or origami craft every day. And definitely the innovation and creativity. This is the major things they learn through the art and craft. And the decision making. If any paper has been given to the kids, how much percentage, what to draw, they have to decide. And it also sharpens the visual memory. If I'm supposed to draw a human being on a paper, I have to first observe the humans, their activities, and then only I have to memorize it, and then only I can draw that into a paper. So do you see how many things only with one activity they can learn, and where they are enjoying and having fun and having experiment? So I request all the parents who have been watching me, to definitely give your kid a chance to do this visual art or the origami activity every day, and you see the difference, right? So see you next time. Till then, ciao and bye.